Hey y'all. So it is Tuesday afternoon, August 19th, 2025, and I wanted to make a quick video to update you on the latest with the drone situation in Thailand. You may or may not have been aware that because of the conflict with Cambodia recently, all drone flights anywhere in Thailand have been banned, and that ban ran through August 15th. Well, as I said, it's the 19th, and just this morning I finally got an email update. And rather than just try and cover it for you, let me just read it. This is from the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. And it is saying the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand has relaxed their ban on drone operations but still with the following restrictions in place until 31 August 2025. Drone operations are still banned in the following provinces: Buriram, Sisaket, Surin, Ubon Ratchathani, Sa Kaeo, Trot, and Chanthaburi, plus the Sattahip district in Chonburi, which is where I live in Bangsaray, and Muang district in Rayong. So Rayong district, the main district, the city district in Rayong. And those are because of the military installations that are close by here. I live right next to a big Navy base. So be aware that in those areas, in the border regions and where there is a heavy military presence, drone flights are still banned. But here's how it relaxes. All normal, let's see. You now need to give advance notification of your planned flight. You will need to do the following. Download the UAS Portal mobile application. Select your planned flight area on the map, avoiding restricted areas. Select your drone and dates, then submit at least 3 days in advance of flying. After receiving permission through the CAAT app, notify the Anti-Drone Center, Metropolitan Police Bureau, by emailing them at antidrone.police@gmail.com. Before commencing a flight, access the UAS portal application, then press Start Flight and End Flight when your flight is complete. You can read more about the updated guidelines on the Tourism Authority of Thailand website, and that's tatnews.org. If there are any additional updates, I'll be sure to let you know, but these are set to run through the end of the month. So through 31 August 2025, those are the rules. Drone flights still banned in several provinces and districts within a few other provinces. And then if you're going to operate anywhere else in the country, you got some new rules to follow. Now, they have really jacked up the fines for breaking these rules, and they're taking them serious. I've seen news reports of people thrown in jail and fined 40,000 baht, and your drone gets destroyed if you break these rules. Don't play. If you're coming to Thailand and you want to fly your drone, first and foremost, make sure you register it properly with both agencies and you obtain insurance, or you're flying illegally to begin with. On top of that, you want to make sure that you're following all these new rules and regulations, because you don't want any hassle ruining your vacation, and you certainly don't want to lose your drone. I hope it helps. And I will let you know the next time I get another update. See you in the next one.